Page 98, at the end of the day. I'll look it over. It's 2 pages long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, so we're either in G major or E minor. If you look at the end, it's here. We're ending on a G major, chords in G major. Do the scales and arpeggios for both, though. G major and E minor, and 4/4 time signature. Most of this, believe it or not, is actually one hand or the other playing, so I'm kind of talk about both hands together here. At the beginning, the left hand's here, eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and just reach down. Just cross. I'm not really changing hands. Just reach down again. Left hand's moving around a little bit. The right hand's just kind of crawling here. And then measure 5. The left hand's here. So when this goes up, have it left hand here ready to go. And then as you play it, you move the right hand. Measures 12 and 13. It's just a G major scale. You're not starting and ending on a G. You don't have to. But once you get into it, that's what it feels like. And then A. It's just a G major scale. It was interrupted in the middle of it, but that's all right. And on measure 14, you're here, the treble clef in the bottom. Reach down. I want to connect them. And then, and here, see? And then 2, 3, looks like it's a G major scale. Now at the bottom of the page, on page 99, this is the last, it's the last 3 measures. You're here and you have some overlap. You got different voices again, so it's here. Hold that down as you do this. Now hold that down almost to the end. And as you're doing this, see, I got all that down, because once you play this, hold that down to the end. So it's, again, this is down, and then that, a G, it's a G at the end. Again, if you have a short keyboard, play the lowest G you got. Now once you put the hands together, I'll go back over a few measures at a time slowly and get rid of the hesitations. And once those are gone, I think about the articulation, and this is very connected. You can lift up for the phrasing, although you get rest a lot of the time, so that's fine. Now on these curved lines, sometimes they're slurs and sometimes they're phrases and sometimes they're both, and you gotta, what is it? Well, you experiment. Try separating the lifting up before and after the lines, or connecting them and see which it is. Sometimes you have rest, you have no choice, but it's like a measure 9. We're here, and then here, here. Those could be phrases, very short little phrases, and because you got to move around, you just sort of have to lift up anyway. That's fine. And then measure 13, you got the rhyme. And then that's sort of a phrase in it. You have to experiment with the slurred line and see what you think. You'll see in measure 21, you have the slur, and then a simile. They stop giving you the slurs. The simile means keep slurring it this way. Just keep pretending there's slurs in there. Remember, a simile in music can apply to anything. It depends on where it's at. So in this simile, since it's in the middle, and since they stopped giving you the curved lines, that's what it's referring to. But in the third measure, you get a simile under the staff. Well, that one's down there by the pedal line, so that's what that one is referring to. I'll get to the pedal later. So I put in the articulation, and then I add the dynamics. It's going to be kind of both hands here. Moderately loud at the beginning, whatever you think sort of loud is. Now, first line is an introduction. And then measure 5, it starts, but this is sort of soft. Take a look at measure 12 and 13. You're going to swell. You only go up and back down. So you're starting out as sort of loud here. You can come down as sort of soft here if you want to. Here. Right there is the loudest part, and then go down. You swell up and back down. In measure 17, there's a crescendo, but that's more with the left hand because all the right hand's doing is holding a note down here. You're moderately soft or soft and go up. Because you're both hands here together, moderately loud. And then you get a crescendo of, oh goody, well we're already moderately loud. So where are we going to go? You're going to go up to loud actually, and it doesn't say where. I'm assuming, since it doesn't say anything, you're going to crescendo up to loud toward the end of the line. So moderately loud in measure 20. A little louder. A little louder. Louder. Now come down to moderately loud, and then moderately soft. So it looks like the third, the measure 20, 21, 22, 23 in there, especially measure 23 or so. That's like the climax of the piece, the most exciting part of the piece. Most all pieces have at least one climax in them where it's, oh, it's exciting. That's sort of what this is doing. And then it's retarding and getting dying down, and then you're back to the soft again. That's interpretation. You got to learn to feel this. Once you get the mechanics out of the way, you get into the music, you feel it. Speed, languid, oh good grief. Just a nice lazy flowing. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, nice and flowing. Now they've added pedal. And the pedaling, what they're telling you to do is pedal it throughout, overlapping throughout, and change it on every measure. The simile means keep doing what you were doing. And since the first two measures I was doing that, that's what I would do. Well, if I pedal it that way, that's what this sounds like. Push the note down first and then pedal. Change it after you go. Change it. And that's the way they're going to pedal throughout the whole thing. At the end, they change the pedaling a little bit. It appears to me like the person who wrote this probably put in the pedaling and he wants it smeared all the way through. That's the effect he wants. If that's what he wants, okay. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to pedal it because you can hear the notes better, and the pedaling is pretty straightforward. You're just pedaling it all. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 4 and 4 and. One and two. and. And 4 and. And 4 and. And 4 and. And 4 and. Four and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and